Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on? I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I'm in the airport right now. Believe it or not, I'm actually headed to Iceland. I figure Iceland has plenty of ice and plenty of land and plenty of melanin deficient people. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you guys really quick about some reports I've just read about Nvidia stock. Nvidia is a stock that a lot of people wondered about because the stock price went up so much. A lot of you bought it back when we were talking about it over a year ago, and you've made a lot of money from it. I think it's doubled in the last year, maybe 200%. And now there's some updates on Nvidia, and I'm gonna share that with you. If you could do me a favor, could you give me a quick audio check, El Haj? And my name is Corey. How you doing, brother? Let me know if y'all can hear me. I got a lot of background right now. I am in the airport, and it is loud, and I want to make sure y'all can hear me okay. And so if you give me a yes to let me know you can hear me, then I'll keep on going. And so here's the deal with Nvidia. I was sort of listening to some reports, and a lot of companies are referencing AI in their capex spending. Capex is capital expenditures. The term capex was used over and over and over again in a lot of these earnings reports by these companies. Why is that important? Well, it's important because Nvidia is the dominant player in the capex that's being used for AI. Everybody's using the words AI. Everybody's using the words capex, and it's been kind of massive in terms of how 90% of that play, 90% of the AI market goes to Nvidia. So Nvidia stock literally went up another 14% this month, and that's after going up 71% in the last 3 months. I think it's gone up 166% in the last year. So here's the thing. So the question becomes, how long can Nvidia dominate like this? Is this going to continue, or is this just temporary? Well, here's a threat to Nvidia's dominance. One threat is that Tesla, Meta, all these other players, Google, all these companies are trying to develop AI chips that are specific to their company. They're doing their best. I think they're going to succeed, and they're trying to develop chips so they can get around the AI dominance of Nvidia. And I do believe that they're going to do that. Now, one of the things though they said was that if Nvidia can maintain its control of the market, and just let's say it slips from 90% to 75%, then it's still going to be pretty good. It's still going to be okay long term. But right now, the big question is whether or not Nvidia really should be a trillion-dollar company, because the value just went up so fast. Now, what am I doing? I sold some of my Nvidia. I'm still a long-term investor. I make 5 to 10 year decisions on my investments. My portfolio's been way up in the last 5 years because I just sort of buy things and sit on them. But at the same time, though, I would encourage you to not get caught up in the hype. A lot of hype is coming in the stock market very soon, because I think we've had maybe 14 out of the last 15 days have been positive for the market. So now all the late people are going to start arriving. When the late arrivals start coming in, I think that's going to push the market up even further, and then you're going to get to a point where you're going to have the same kind of crazy, chaotic fury that you had before. So just know that there's a market rampage likely coming soon, maybe the next couple of years. Inflation is lower, the economy's strong, the market is killing it. Everybody wants free money. So those of you that have been smart, those of you who've been listening, those of you who've been consistently investing, this is where you benefit. This is where everybody moves to your neighborhood, but you've been a property owner for the last X number of years. So you get what I'm saying? So they're going to gentrify the neighborhood basically, and you own property in a neighborhood that's about to be gentrified. So be patient, be consistent, don't be scared, and hold your ground. Anyway, guys, I'm about to roll out of here. I'm about to go eat dinner with my daughter. So I mentioned to you guys that if you ever wanted me to come in and do a training, I do stock option, stock market trainings around the country, stuff like that. If you'd like for me to do that in your city, we can partner with you. All you have to do is find a venue that qualifies, and then also pay the deposit, and then we will market the event for you. And if you do that, if you want to do that with your church or your family investment club or whatever, just email manager@boycewatkins.com. I travel all the time. I don't mind traveling to your city. I really enjoy this kind of thing. Also, we got a movie coming out this summer called B1 the Movie, and that movie is going to be released in Atlanta on Marcus Garvey's birthday at the New Black Wall Street. So if you'd like to join us for this event, Rizza Islam's going to be there. Les Brown is going to be there. I'm going to be there. Queen Afua, Vicky Dillard, Nuri Muhammad, Dr. Claude Anderson, a lot of these great people are in the film. We're building a black-owned movie industry, so we can really use your help and use your attention. If you could share this and let other people know that Black people are building the film industry, we'd appreciate that. If you're interested, you can go to b1themovie.com and take a look. It's directed by Rick Mathis, and I want to make sure I tell you guys about that. All right, let me go get on this airplane. I just wanted to come in and tell you guys what I heard about Nvidia so that it helps you in your investing journey. And also, if you'd like to get Dr. Boyce Profit Alerts, where I text you alerts on stocks that I like, things that I'm seeing in the market, feel free to text the word stock to 31996. If you text stock to 31996, I'll also send you our $5 a day investing plan from the Black Business School, as well as a training I did on how to make money without working. All right, everybody, take care. God bless you. And don't listen to your broke-ass friends. Anybody who's running their mouth and says, the investing's bad, investing's stupid, Black people ain't got no money, just ask them, well, how much money you got? And if they're broke, don't listen to them, because broke people are the first ones to tell you that the stock market is stupid, it's a scam, you shouldn't do it, and that's just nonsense. It's the best place on earth to make money. So keep being consistent. Don't listen to the Negro naysayers. Just keep it moving. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Peace.